Hey guys, it's Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown, and today I'm breaking down drawbacks in tap. So usually these are used as just a quick exercise across the floor to kind of get you warmed up and get you going, but drawbacks are also part of other steps, sort of as add-on, additional rhythms, things like that, like in the Cincinnati, which I'll do in another video. But let's just jump right on into drawbacks. So drawbacks are pretty easy. They're just 3 steps. You start with a dig, a heel dig, and you spank, heel drop, step. That's all it is. That's what it is. Spank, heel, step. Now, you want to keep your heel up because this is going to start your next drawback, spank, heel, step. And that's what gets you traveling backwards. So I would advise not to put that heel down until that next spank. That's sort of that little change of weight you want to watch out for. From the side, that's a spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step. See what I mean? You don't put that heel down. That's going to keep it smoother for you, the whole step, the whole pattern. So it's spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step. Running out of room. I wish I had more room. All right. So spank, heel, step, 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 spank, heel, step. Oh. All right, the other trick I would say about drawbacks is you want to, as with all tap, be bending your knees more, keep it more forward. And then I also want to accentuate the being on the ball of your more, so that you know, I wouldn't don't worry so much about those digs. I think it's harder when you accentuate the dig. I would accentuate more the spank. Trying to keep it in place so you can hear when you start going really fast what a drawback would sound like. But it's one of those, the more you practice that pattern, then you just start going faster and faster with them. And then you just build up the speed with your drawbacks. Okay, so I can't go much farther in this room, but you kind of hear the rhythm and when you start going faster and faster with your drawbacks. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, check out all my other videos, and I will see you in the next.